student, today we are going to discuss chapter 6 physical and chemical changes. Student, in my life class we also discuss about the physical change and chemical change, and we read the difference between the physical and chemical change. We read that what is the physical property of a substance. Student, properties such as a shape, size, color and state of a substance are called its physical property, and a change in this physical property is called the physical change. Student, physical change is generally reversible, and in physical change there is no new substances formed. And in chemical change, what we read that if a change in the chemical property of an substance, then we called it chemical change, and chemical change is irreversible, and a new substance is formed. Student, physical change there is no new substance formed, कोई भी नया substance नहीं बन रहा है, and in chemical change there is a new substance formed, एक नया substance बन रहा है. And I also give you an example that when we burn the wood, ash is formed. Okay, so composition is changed. Okay, then we also read that burning is also a chemical change. And in activity 6.6, we read that burning of magnesium ribbon is also a chemical change. Why it is a chemical change? Because when we burn the magnesium ribbon, it burned and left behind a powdery ashes. जब मैग्नीशियम रिबन बर्न होता है तो इसका केमिकल कंपोजिशन चेंज हो जाता है. Okay, and it converted into the powdery ash, which is magnesium oxide. Student, here you see we collect the ash. हमने क्या किया, इस ash को कलेक्ट किया और इसमें वाटर का कुछ अमाउंट ऐड कर दिया. After that we check with the help of the litmus paper that this is acidic in nature or basic in nature. We read in a previous chapter that red litmus paper turn blue in basic solution, and in acidic solution blue litmus paper turn red. So student, on the basis of this test, how do we classify that the aqueous solution is acidic or basic? Actually student, on dissolving the ash in water, it form a new substance. जब हमने ash को वाटर में डिसॉल्व किया तो इसने एक नया सब्सटेंस फॉर्म किया. अगेन द कंपोजिशन इज चेंज, एंड दिस चेंज कैन बी रिटन in the form of a following equation. And what is the equation, student? Here you can see that magnesium oxide formed when we burn magnesium, and magnesium oxide when mixed with the water H2O, it formed magnesium hydroxide. To know, ये जानने के लिए कि मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एसिडिक नेचर की है या बेसिक नेचर का है, हमने इसमें लिटमस पेपर ऐड किया, लिटमस पेपर टेस्ट किया. अगर लिटमस पेपर मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड में रेड कलर में टर्न हो रहा है तो एसिडिक नेचर, अगर ब्लू कलर में टर्न होगा तो बेसिक नेचर. ओके, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड का बेसिक नेचर होगा. सो एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न इन चैप्टर 5 दैट magnesium hydroxide is based. Okay, that means magnesium hydroxide में red litmus paper turn blue. अगर magnesium oxide base है, basic solution में क्या होता है, red litmus paper blue में change हो जाता है, acidic solution में blue litmus paper red में change होता है. So student, magnesium hydroxide is a base. So magnesium oxide is a new substance formed on burning of magnesium, and magnesium hydroxide is another new substance. In this activity, what we read that magnesium after burning form magnesium oxide, which is a new substance, and when we add water on the magnesium oxide, it formed magnesium hydroxide, which is another new substance. So this activity is showing chemical changes. Now activity 6.7. Student, in this activity what we do? Actually we take half a cup of a water in a glass tumbler, and we add it अ टीस्पूनफुल ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट, हमने हाफ कप वाटर लिया एक ग्लास टम्बलर में और बीकर में, और हमने उसमें 1 टीस्पून कॉपर सल्फेट ऐड कर दिया. ओके, वाटर में हमने 1 स्पून कॉपर सल्फेट ऐड किया, एंड देन व्हाट वी डू, वी एडेड अ फ्यू ड्रॉप ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. जब हमने इसमें सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड ऐड किया, in this solution, what happened, this solution get a blue color. Student, here actually in your NCERT book you can see that this is a blue solution and this is the green solution. ये ब्लू सॉल्यूशन है क्योंकि हमने एक ग्लास बीकर में हाफ वाटर लिया और उसमें हमने क्या ऐड किया, कॉपर सल्फेट, देन वी एडेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. ओके, देन द कलर बिकम ब्लू. ये कलर कैसा चेंज हो जाएगा, किसमें चेंज हो जाएगा, ब्लू कलर में. इन योर एनसीईआरटी बुक हियर ब्लू कलर इज गिवन एंड हियर ग्रीन. एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपेंड स्टूडेंट, actually we drop a blade, okay, a saving blade into this remaining solution and we wait for half an hour or so. हमने इस सॉल्यूशन में जिसमें हमने कॉपर सल्फेट ऐड किया हुआ है एंड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड ऐड की है एंड जिसका कलर ब्लू है, वी जस्ट एडेड अ सेविंग ब्लेड इनटू द सॉल्यूशन and wait for half an hour. Observe the color of the solution. Student, we observe that the solution become green in color. Actually the color is given in your NCERT book. This is blue color, and when we added the saving blade, you know that it is made up of iron. Okay, after some time we observe that color is change. Okay, do you see any change in a color of this solution? Actually the changes that we notice are due to the reaction between copper sulfate and iron. Saving blade is made up of iron, so iron react with copper sulfate. Iron ने copper sulfate के साथ reaction किया and the change color of a solution from blue to green, and जो solution का color है वो blue से green हो जाएगा. Okay, blue to green due to the formation of iron sulfate. ऐसा क्यों हुआ, because of the formation of a new substance, iron sulfate. Okay, here you can see that the color of a solution from blue to green is due to the formation of iron sulfate, a new substance, and here a new substance is formed. So this is a chemical change. We read that if composition is changed, if the new substance is formed, it is a chemical change. Then you see here that the brown deposit of the iron nail or a saving blade is copper, another new substance. And student, here you see this equation, copper sulfate solution which is blue in color. Firstly we added saving blade in the solution which is made up of iron. Now the new substance is formed, iron sulfate solution which is green in color, and copper. I hope you understand. Okay, one more time I explain this activity. Student, we take half beaker of water and we added in this water copper sulfate and sulfuric acid. This solution become blue in color. Then we add a blade which is made up of iron. After some time we observe that this solution become green in color, and the solution become green in color due to the formation of iron sulfate. Here copper sulfate, and after reaction with the iron it formed iron sulfate. A new substance is formed. So this is a chemical change. I hope you understand. Student, the another chemical change we observe when we added vinegar acetic acid and baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, what is formed? Carbon dioxide and other substance. So here again the new substance is formed. So this is also the chemical change. The reaction between the carbon dioxide and lime water is, student, here you can see that carbon dioxide and lime water react and form calcium carbonate and water. Okay, this is very important reaction. What happened in this reaction when carbon dioxide react with lime water? It formed calcium carbonate and water. Okay, here student, you see that when we add baking soda and vinegar in this test tube, we added in this test tube we add vinegar and baking soda. So what formed? Carbon dioxide gas is released. Okay, here you can see that we just take a test tube, हमने एक test tube ली and we added vinegar and baking soda. We observe that carbon dioxide gas is released. But how can we find that the gas which is released here is carbon dioxide? हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि जो गैस रिलीज हो रही है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस है? Actually, then we add this cork and this tube. And here you can see that this one is a lime water. The gas is released from here is carbon dioxide gas, because when it react with the lime water, it formed calcium carbonate. अगर calcium carbonate बन रहा है, that means that the gas which is released from here is carbon dioxide. Okay. In a test tube, we added vinegar and baking soda. When the vinegar and baking soda react, they release carbon dioxide. When the carbon dioxide is released, in the second test tube, we added lime water. This carbon dioxide react with this lime water and form calcium carbonate and water. Okay. Here you see that when carbon dioxide is passed through this lime water, calcium carbonate is formed. And in this activity, we read that a change in which one or more new substances are formed. A change in which one or more new substance is formed is called the chemical change. And a chemical change is also called a chemical reaction. In this two activity, we read that new substance is formed, and when the new substance is formed, this change is called chemical change, and chemical change we also called it chemical reaction. Student, chemical change is very important for our lives. All new substances are formed as a result of chemical change. Student, we read that one or more new substances are formed and produced in a chemical changes. In adding a new product, the following may accompany a chemical change. And what are these? Student, this is very important, that heat, light or any other radiations, ultraviolet radiations may be given off or absorbs. Sound may be produced. A change in a smell may be take place, or a new substance may be given off. A color change may take place. A gas may formed. This occur in a chemical reaction or in a chemical change. जब chemical change हो रहा है, so heat evolved हो सकती है, light and any other radiations may be given off or absorbs. ये या तो release हो सकते हैं या absorbs. Sound may be produced. A changes in a smell may take place, and a color change also take place, and gas may be formed. This is all for today.